Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So I recently posted my hair care routine video, and in that video I had asked you guys if you would be interested in knowing how I smoothen slash defrizz my hair at home, and a lot of you guys were interested in it. So I thought, why not come on here and quickly share with you guys some like tips and tricks that I use in order to do just that. So let's just get started with today's video. So here's a really quick before of my hair. As you can see, it's very dry and frizzy. So let's start the process. The first thing that you most definitely want to do is brush out your hair, because we're going to be doing a lot to our hair and we don't want any sort of knots, because knots lead to breakage. Now, I've talked about this method before. I call it reverse conditioning. So I'm going to start off by conditioning my hair first. You can wet your hair. I'm doing it on dry hair. It doesn't really matter. So condition your hair first, then shampoo, and then condition again. Now the reason why I do this is because I have extremely frizzy hair, and when you have frizzy hair, that basically means that your hair is dry and thirsty for moisture. So by conditioning it twice and shampooing it in the middle, it really helps restore back the moisture. It doesn't really matter what shampoo or conditioner you use, as long as I would recommend it to be sulfate free. If you guys want details on exactly like the conditioner and the shampoos that I use, I will link my hair care routine in the description box below. Now when you're shampooing your hair, you really want to make sure to concentrate the shampoo only on your scalp. Now I do this entire process once a week, and of course I do it when I don't have oil in my hair. So that means that I only have to apply shampoo to my scalp and not the entire like length of my hair. Now on to the showstopper. I think I've mentioned this in my last video as well, but I'm gonna say it again. I am in love with Mamaearth's Argan hair mask. This is with argan, avocado oil, and milk protein. I love Mamaearth for various different reasons. First of all, it's paraben and silicone free. It's hypoallergenic and it has bioactives. And other than that, I've learned very recently that Mamaearth like recycles way more plastic than it produces. So it's a very environmentally conscious brand, and I love supporting such brands. So talking about how I use this product, I always like to start off by sectioning my hair. I make sure to have my hair wet before I use this product, because I've heard wet hair absorbs product more efficiently. So make sure to have your hair at least a little bit damp before you apply this mask. And I would really recommend sectioning out your hair and working on one section at a time. So as you can see, I'm really like drenching a lot of mask on each section so that it really penetrates. And I'm using the emulsification method, where I go over each strand, kind of massage it, use my fingers to really help the product do its job. Now I don't apply this hair mask directly onto my scalp. I would say I leave about an inch and work on the rest of my hair, obviously concentrating on the ends. Once I'm done with the application, I just tie it in a low bun, and you could go over with like a hot towel or take a steam. I just take a really quick like hot bath, and that kind of works as a steam. I let the mask stay in my hair for 15 to 20 minutes. Now during this entire process, make sure to wash your hair always with only and only cold water, because cold water really helps you seal in the cuticles and just gives like a more shiny effect towards the end. And once I'm done washing off the hair mask, I like to use a microfiber towel. If you don't have that, you can use a t-shirt. I'm using a t-shirt right now, a cotton t-shirt preferably. And instead of aggressively trying to dry my hair, I'm very gently going to squeeze out, kind of wring out the water out of my hair, as you can see. This not only helps you dry your hair quickly, is what I've seen, but other than that, it avoids frizziness. So the last time I had worked with Mamaearth, they had offered me a coupon code which was Mridul20, and you can still use that on this mask on mamaearth.com. Other than that, you can buy it on Nykaa and Amazon as well. I'm not gonna earn anything from this at all. It's just a coupon code that they gave me for you guys. And finally, after following all of these steps, this is what my hair looks like. I'm not gonna lie, it does take a little bit more effort, like 30 minutes extra, but I think it's totally worth it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and of course found it helpful. Everything will be linked in the description box below, whatever I mentioned in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye!